Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. In today's topic, I'm going to tell you guys why your engine is overheating. The first common reason why your engine is overheating is going to be leaks. If you have coolant leaks, this will definitely cause the engine to overheat. Check for leaks at the radiator. Check for leaks at the upper and lower radiator hose. Check for leaks at the thermostat housing. Check for leaks at the heater core hose, and also check for leaks at the heater core as well. Check for leaks at the timing belt area. You can have a leaky water pump. Check for leaks at the expansion tank. The next common reason why your engine is overheating is going to be due to a faulty radiator cap. Remove the radiator cap. Check the gasket on the radiator cap. Make sure it is not torn. Next, check the pressure valve spring by pushing it in. Make sure there is pressure. Next, check the vacuum valve. Make sure this tip over here is not broken or missing. If the radiator cap looks extremely rusty, go ahead and replace the radiator cap. And also, you might want to flush out your cooling system as well. The next common reason why your engine is overheating is going to be caused by a stuck closed thermostat. If you start your engine and you let it run for about 10 minutes and one of the radiator hose feels a lot cooler than the other radiator hose, then you know the thermostat is stuck closed. In addition, check for leaks at the thermostat sill, and also for some vehicle, you may actually get thermostat codes. The next common reason why your engine is overheating is going to be caused by a failed radiator fan. If the radiator fan motor is faulty, you're going to notice the engine is going to start to overheat, especially at idle and when you're driving at low speed. The quickest way to check if you have a bad radiator cooling fan is to give power to the connection. If the fan does not turn on, then you know the radiator fan is faulty. In addition, you also want to check for broken fan blade, and you also want to check for faulty radiator cooling fan relays. Also, a faulty fan switch or a faulty coolant temperature sensor can also prevent the radiator fan from turning on. The next common reason why your engine is overheating is because you have a radiator issue. For example, your radiator can start to develop coolant leaks, or your radiator fins are completely pressed in and bent. That can also prevent airflow. Also, you can also have a buildup of leads right in front of the radiator, again restricting airflow. If your cooling system is extremely dirty and it looks like it's full of sludge, this can clog the radiator, again causing a decrease in coolant flow, and this can cause the engine to overheat. The next reason why your engine is overheating is because maybe you have air in the cooling system. If you recently replaced cooling system parts, for example, you replaced the water pump or you changed the radiator and you didn't burp the system for air, definitely air will be trapped in the cooling system, and this can definitely cause overheating. If you notice overheating and you notice your temperature gauge is just fluctuating while you're driving, that is a sign that there is air in the cooling system. The next reason why your engine is overheating is because maybe you blew your head gasket. If you remove the radiator cap and it looks like it's full of chocolate milk or it looks like pudding, then you know you blew your head gasket. Also, if you remove your engine dipstick and it smells like gasoline, that means that combustion is leaking to the oil passage and is contaminating your engine oil. Furthermore, when you turn off your engine and you let it cool for about 30 minutes, and if you remove the radiator cap and you notice a burst of air coming out of the radiator, then you know that combustion is leaking to the cooling system, and this is caused by a blown head gasket. The next reason why your engine is overheating is because maybe you have little to no engine oil inside your engine. And if you have little to no engine oil inside your engine, this will cause increased friction, and again causing the engine to overheat. The next reason why your engine is overheating is because maybe you have a clogged catalytic converter. If your catalytic converter is extremely clogged, your engine cannot exhale exhaust fume, and this will cause exhaust fume to back up inside the engine, again causing it to overheat. If you're receiving P0420 codes and you have extremely high mileage and you notice poor acceleration, and you notice your vehicle has a hard time going uphill, then you know your catalytic converter is clogged. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.